Hey, somebody Rocky here. Recently, Liana and her family invited me to go spend an extended weekend on her home island, and her home island was Maui. And so Maui towns are pretty interesting because they kind of have a vintage or old-timey feel to it, and I asked Liana why this was, and she really couldn't give me an answer except that they were always like this. But it's pretty neat that you can just like walk from store to store and just kind of buy stuff and eat. And if you're ever driving around and you look outside the car, you'll see sugarcane everywhere. It seems like the major crop of Maui. The beaches are really clear, really blue, of course, really pretty, and the sand is super soft, except in certain areas where it's covered with lava rock, and it's advised not to go swimming there. Also, there's kind of shark attack sightings happening there, but it's really pretty. You can just stand and look wistfully off into the blue abyss and pretend that you're more than you are. One day we went to Iao Valley and it was pretty awesome. Around are all this mountainous landscapes and little pathways to walk across, and of course some wildlife. Everything was really green and luscious, and someone who isn't from Hawaii would definitely think, oh yes, this is what Hawaii is supposed to be like, a bunch of wilderness and rainforest type of stuff. Also, the main attraction, I guess, for this area is the river, which is super cold, but super cool. Liana convinced me to try to go swimming in it, but it felt like bathing in ice water, and I could barely get up to my neck without freezing everything. My body went numb. And on my last day, we went to this lavender farm, which was really picturesque and pretty. It was interesting, to say the least. There were a lot of different types of plants to go and look at, and I think that was the major attraction, was all these plant species. And also some little animals, like this little reptile guy. I wanted to pick him up and hold him, but he was kind of hiding in the bushes from me. What's really interesting is that we were so high up on the mountain that we were in the clouds. That's so cool. This isn't fog, that's clouds. I was in the clouds. And it was a really relaxing place. It was kind of eerie because of the cloudy nature, but we still had fun nevertheless. 어때요?
맛있어요. I'm about to have Snow Factory food, so here it goes. I got peanut butter kind. Amazing.
Look, that's Liana. Acts as a tourist, even though she's actually from here.
Alright, Liana, so what's happening right now?
We're driving
And what's the condition of our navigation right now?
We don't know how far this road goes out.
Says the local.
Hey, I've never been this far out.
Yeah. So basically we're lost.
We're not lost, it's only a single road. Look, you can't get lost on a single road.
So basically we don't know when we're gonna get out of this maze. I'm in the middle of a prehistoric magma flow.
So overall, I would say that Maui is a lot better than Oahu, and I really enjoyed my time here. It was very pretty and very relaxing, and I want to go back someday.